In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum filtered data in Google Sheets. Start by opening the Google Sheet that contains the data you want to work with. We're going to apply a filter first so that Google Sheets knows which rows are visible and which ones are temporarily hidden. Go to the Data menu and choose Create a Filter. You'll see little filter icons appear in your header row. These let you include or exclude specific values without deleting anything, which is perfect for quick analysis. Next, click an empty cell where you want the running total to appear. Placing it at the top or bottom of the column you are summing works best, because it keeps the result easy to find as you scroll. Now we'll enter a formula that adds up only the visible rows in your filtered list. Type equals subtotal 11. Ranges. Replace range with the cells you want to sum, such as range or an entire column if that's how your data is structured. The subtotal function is designed specifically for filtered data. The function code 11 tells Google Sheets to sum the visible values and automatically ignore any rows hidden by your filter. This means you won't accidentally include filtered out items in your total. If your column grows over time, make sure the range you select covers all the rows you care about. After you confirm the formula, it will calculate based on what's currently visible. To test and verify that everything is working, use the filter icons in your header to hide some rows. For example, filter the list to show only a specific category or exclude a particular value. Watch the subtotal cell you created update in real time. As you change filters, adding conditions, removing them, or switching to different criteria, the total will automatically recalculate to reflect only what's on screen. This setup is especially helpful for quick comparisons. You can filter by date ranges, product types, regions, or any other field in your dataset, and the subtotal will always follow your view. If the result doesn't look right, double-check that your range is correct and that your filter is applied to the same dataset. Also, make sure you are entering the formula in a cell that's not part of the filtered range, so it doesn't accidentally get hidden. And that's it. Thanks for watching.